How to pay your subscription at VC Crowd using money in your e-wallet. So on this account we want to go to the profile and click on upgrade. That brings us through to this page where we can choose our membership. On this example we're just going to choose the €89 per month, so we click on this area. That then gets highlighted in green, and lower down on the page we can see it says start my membership. So we click on that, and then we get the payment options here, and one of those payment options is e-wallet payment. So we select that option, so that's our e-wallet, that's where our money is in our cash account at the moment, and we click on pay. Now again we're just confirming here the membership level we want is a 1 month membership, total amount €89, make e-wallet payment. And there we are, our membership is live for the month.